Hello, how are you? Today, we are going to talk about the importance of taking care of your nails, especially if you suffer from itching and fungus on your toenails. I'm doing a full review of Kerassentials, a natural product for nail and skin health. Does it really work? I'll tell you everything. What is Kerassentials? Kerassentials is an essential oil formulated to combat fungus and improve the health of nails and skin. Its formula contains natural ingredients such as tea tree oil, lavender, almond oil, organic linseed oil, tea tree oil, lemongrass oil, and vitamin E. Benefits of Kerassentials. Now, let's talk about the main benefits of Kerassentials and why so many people are recommending this product. Effectively eliminates nail and skin fungus, prevents infections, and improves the appearance of nails. 100% natural ingredients, no side effects. Easy to use, just apply a few drops daily to your nails. Guarantee and where to buy, and the best part is that Kerassentials comes with a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. If you don't like it, you can get your money back, but be careful. Only buy from the official website to ensure you get an original product and avoid counterfeits. I'll leave the link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this review and that it helped you learn more about this excellent product. Click on the official link to see valuable testimonials about Kerassentials. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. Thank you for watching this far. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.